compact SUV market is crowded, but the 2026 Honda continues to stand out as one of the most practical and reliable choices available today. Honda hasn't tried to make the flashy or overly aggressive. Instead, the focus is on comfort, usability and driving, and that's exactly why so many people love it. From the outside, the 2026 looks mature and confident. The design is clean and modern, with sharp LED headlights, a wide front grille and a solid SUV stance. It doesn't try too hard to impress, but it looks premium, and whether you see it in the city or on the highway, it has a strong road presence without being. Step inside and comfort is the first thing you notice. The interior is spacious, simple and thoughtfully designed. The seats are wide and supportive, making long drives easy and relaxing. There's plenty of legroom in the back, so rear passengers won't feel cramped, even on longer journeys. The cabin is also impressively quiet, especially in the hybrid versions, which makes daily commuting much more pleasant. Technology in the 2026 Honda is designed to be rather than overwhelming. The touchscreen infotainment system is responsive and easy to understand. Wireless Apple and Android Auto CarPlay standard, making smartphone connectivity seamless. Higher trims add a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging and a premium sound system. While it may not have the largest screen in the segment, everything works smoothly and feels reliable. When it comes to performance, the focus is on smoothness rather than sturdiness. The standard turbocharged engine delivers steady and predictable power, perfect for everyday driving. However, the real star of the lineup is the hybrid model. It feels quieter, more refined, and more efficient, especially in city traffic. Acceleration is smooth, and the transition between electric and petrol power is barely noticeable. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest reasons people choose the Honda. The hybrid variant delivers excellent mileage in driving conditions, making it ideal for daily commuters and families. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and handle city traffic without stress. On highways, it remains stable, comfortable, and confident even on long trips. Pricing for the 2026 Honda is competitive within the compact SUV segment. While higher trims can feel expensive, Honda's reputation for reliability and strong resale value makes the price easier to justify. For most buyers, the hybrid version offers the best balance between performance, comfort, and fuel economy. So, is the 2026 Honda worth buying? If you're looking for a comfortable and dependable SUV that fits perfectly into everyday life, the answer is yes. It may not be the most exciting SUV on the road, but it's one of the smartest and safest choices you can make.